What is going on, guys? I am here with my 2002 Honda cr250R. So I picked this bike up used. I've been riding it for a little while. When I first got it, the jetting was horrible. I could barely ride it. It was running so rich. I picked up a JD jet kit and I installed that, and I'm currently having some issues with it still. And a buddy of mine was like, you know what, you should do a compression test just to see where you're at. Because obviously, you know, if I have low compression and I need a rebuild, I am not going to, you know, be able to jet the bike properly. So just a quick overview. I got a Pro Circuit pipe. I got the R304 silencer on there, and I put Renthal bars, and it does have V-force reeds. And the only other thing I have changed is I went to that JD jet kit. So I am running the red needle, and I actually have the clip on the first slot on the needle, so it's as lean as it can be. And the recommendations is like a 380 to a 400. I think the stock is a 380, but if I go up like that, the bike is just so rich. So I'm not 100% sure what's going on there, but the bike's definitely getting some splooge and it's definitely still rich. I'll take a quick look at the plug when I get it out. I have looked at it before, and you know, it's definitely a little black. I have been not able to get it to the cocoa color I want. So that's just kind of the problems that I'm having with the bike, but I figured I got the Motion Pro compression tester. I've used this on bikes before on my KX build just because I picked it up used again, and you know, you want to know where you're at. So that's what I'm going to do. So we'll do a compression test and just see where this bike is sitting. I kind of should have done this a while ago, but we'll get a good compression reading and we will at least know where the bike stands. So I'm going to get this thing warmed up. We'll get the plug out, we'll get this hooked up, and we'll see where we are. Fires right up. First to second kick every time. So here, let's try to focus on that. There's my plug. It's actually not too bad. It almost looks a little wet though. Why the bike is nice and hot, let's get that compression tester in there. And we got it in. That's what she said. Okay. I'm not sure how tight that's supposed to be, but I got it in there. All right, we're all on, and we're supposed to go wide open throttle and kick till it doesn't go up anymore. Right around 160. $150. So I'm on the bottom end. So I'm just about ready for a rebuild, I think. Release it. Try it again. Very hard to kick like this. She got low compression. Dang. Think I'm ready for a rebuild. Oh, that's a lot of work kicking, but you can see I'm just over 150. So I'd like to be at 180. I would say I'm good, but I'm definitely on the lower side. Whew, you can hear me, I'm all out of breath. But yeah, I think CR is ready for a rebuild. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I rebuild it or should I ride it some more?